Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get 2 of the new Spunky badges in Spunky RP and animation. So teleport to the Spunky world, and the first one, you'll need to turn left. I already collected the badge, so the notification won't show. Then you're going to go to the train station, and then the badge will be here. The second one, you're going to go back up, and then you are going to go to a tunnel. So go back to where you spawned at, or just go here, and then you're going to teleport to this tunnel. Hopefully I still remember where it is. Then you are going to go to the second house here. You're going to go up, and you're going to you're going to go in this room and teleport again, sorry. Then the other one is behind a tree somewhere. I think it's behind this tree. So I'm just going to walk here. And here's the second badge. It is the another boring Mr. Sun and another boring Simon. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.